Hi everyone, welcome back to TechPulse. So today we will learn that how can we run Python in VS Code. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, we will install VS Code on our systems. For that, open Google Chrome and in the search bar type VS Code. Now open this and here you will see download for Windows. If you want to install for other platforms, for other operating systems, you can click here other platforms, but we are installing for Windows, so we'll click here download for Windows and our download is started. And here our download is completed. Now we'll open the folder. Now click on this setup in order to install it. I'll suggest you that you change this default path. You can keep this default path too, but I suggest you change this path. C/Microsoft VS Code. Keep this path. Click on OK. Next, and yes, create a desktop icon and leave everything as default. And click on finish. Here is your Visual Studio Code. Now minimize it for now, and now the next step will be that we will be downloading Python on our Windows. So let's download Python. Click right in the search bar Python download and click on download Python, and now an interface like this would appear. Go here, downloads, and this is the latest version 3.14.0. click on it, and now our Python is also downloading. And here our Python is downloaded. Open folder. Now click on this installer. In order to install it, click on, first of all, click here, use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. Check both of these folders. Now click on customize installation. Keep all these as they are. Keep all these checked, default. Click on next. Well, if you want to only install Python for yourself, then keep this box unchecked. But if you want that Python is installed for all the users on your PC, then you can check this box. And well, if you need any other services like debugging symbols, free-threaded binaries, debug binaries, you can check these boxes, but for now we'll leave these unchecked as we do not need these for now. So just keep this default path, it's fine. C program files Python and click on install. and now it's installing. And well, here our Python is also successfully installed. Just now click on close, and now we'll set up Python inside VS Code. So let's open our Visual Studio Code which we just installed. Here is the interface of Visual Studio Code. First of all, we'll click on File and click on Open Folder. You can also click from here to click on Open Folder. Here we'll go to our desktop and we'll create a new folder here, and I'll name it Python, and I'll select this folder and just click on trust the authors of all files. Yes, I trust the authors. And now come here. You see this bar here, extensions. Now we'll download the extension of Python. Right here, Python. And here the first entry which appears here, Python by Microsoft. We will install this extension. Click on it and just click on install. Now wait while it installs. It shouldn't take long. And yes, our extension of Python is now installed. Now the folder which we created previously, we'll go to this folder. Here click on here Explorer. Now this is the folder which we just created, Python. We'll create a new file here. A new file, we can name it anything. I will name it admin dot, and now we'll write here py. Basically this py is the extension name, basically the file type for Python. Like when you see images, there are image.jpg, jpeg, png, or file.txt. So the file type extension of Python files is .py. Now we have successfully created admin.py, and the VS Code is recognizing this file as a Python file. Now we'll just click on this file, and here we can write our code. And well, I already have a sample code of Python. I will show you. This is the code. We'll just copy it from here. Copy this code, and I'll just paste it here. And this is our sample code. And well, in order to run your code on VS Code, there is this option here, run the Python file. Just click on it, and here you can see your output in the terminal. Hello admin, as you can see it. Hello name is admin. Hello admin, you are 21 years old. Next year you will 22 years old. So like this you can make any program of Python now inside your VS Code. So yes guys, this was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys understood how to run Python in VS Code. Every step was, I hope every step was clear to you. But if there are any queries, or at any step you want to ask any question, so you can ask your queries in the comment section. I will try my best to reply to all those queries. And well guys, thank you for watching the video. If you guys like these videos, then please like and subscribe to the channel. And also I will leave the links of both VS Code and the Python installer down in the description. You can download them from there too. And well guys, we'll meet in the next video, and till then, bye.